We're EST Gear, and today we're introducing the Torch L1, a pocket-sized, ultra-bright, USB rechargeable flashlight. Its unique L-shaped design allows you to use it hands-free as a headlamp, or stand it up with its flat bottom to light up a work surface. Its magnetic base enables you to illuminate any task. The Torch L1 is highly adaptable. Stick it, clip it, carry it, or wear it. Its rugged housing is milled from a single piece of aluminum and hard anodized with a Type 3 scratch-resistant finish. Built for the toughest conditions, the Torch L1 is IP68 rated for protection against dust and water, making it nearly indestructible. Tested in the harshest environments, submerged in water, run over with a car. We customized a high-capacity, high-drain battery to offer unmatched runtime, brightness, and recharge speed. And we designed a magnetic USB cable that snaps on for ease of use, so you don't need to worry about bulky, slow, external chargers. The laser-etched TUR optic provides a bright, uniform beam for crystal clear vision in the dark and no annoying hotspots. The L1 torch has a natural white light with 5 brightness levels, an emergency strobe setting. Heat-dissipating fins on the back allow for optimal cooling so it never gets hot, even after hours of use. The flashlight is a passion project of ours that we've been working on for the past year, and because we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements to make it happen. Back us today to join our community of passionate adventure seekers who love great tools and who can help make this flashlight possible. Let's bring this project to light.